Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and happy 7's Day, which is the unofficial official RX-7 day. So I thought of no other date better than today to introduce my 1993 Mazda RX-7. I bought this car last year on 7's Day. Well, I agreed to buy it from the person selling it, and it was from Georgia, and I got it shipped over here after a lot of paperwork, but it ended up working out. And the car had several problems, but I was able to start fixing it little by little, and it's been over a year and we're still not 100%, but we're almost there. You start to see the light. You know, it does need a lot of cosmetic things, but overall the car is okay. So far I have done the suspension, which includes the bushing, front upper control arms, the rear bushings, and I also changed it to coilovers from the stock suspension because it was already blown out. I have also changed the mid pipe and exhaust. Those were when I received it, those were all rusted and they weren't the stock exhaust and catalytic converter, so they were pretty bad. And so me and my mechanic at the time thinking that might be part of the issues, part of the stuff that was causing it to run not so good. So I changed to the mid pipe. I got the bonus high flow mid pipe, and then I also got the Racing Beat single tip exhaust, which I thought it was a little bit more, I preferred it a little bit more for the look. So when I got the car, there was a lot of rust, especially under this section. So I had underneath, not on the actual body panel, but underneath where it actually went through to the passenger floorboard, and ended up getting that fixed. Cost me a pretty penny, but they did a really good job. I have the stock wheels, have some Hankook tires. They're okay. I haven't really driven the car too hard yet because I just barely got the suspension taken care of. But rides like a dream with the Fortune Auto 500s. Everything else is the same. Do have the Racing Beat single tip exhaust. Really nice. Not too loud. You know, perfect for you to live in an apartment like I do. So quiet, but loud when you want it to be, so it does open up pretty good, especially with the mid pipe. So later tonight we're gonna go to Code Red Performance 7's Day meetup over there in Huntington or Fountain Valley, I believe. So not too far from me, and over there at Mile Square Park. So I'm looking forward to that. Finally, it's been a year I had this car, and I was looking forward to actually trying to hit up one of those events. So I actually went to 7 stock. Last year the car wasn't able to make it at that time, but hopefully this year I do want to go again. So looking forward to going to today's and just look at other people's RX-7s, and hopefully it's a good turnout. I'm not sure, but should be fun either way, just to, you know, even just see a couple RX-7s here. I don't see any of these any time of the year, so I'll be happy if I see anything. It'll be awesome just to get more, you know, talking more friends and talking to other people who have a car, get some input on them and on some other shops maybe I don't know about, and maybe some other things I should probably do first. So here are my plans for the RX-7. So currently the car is running good. I spent a lot of money on it, so right now I just need to catch up on that and need to put more money away for savings and future trips and future vacation plans. So right now the car is currently running pretty good. I do only have, the only issue that I noticed, there's a few oil leaks that I need to address, and also I need to fix the fuel injectors. I need to get them serviced, so I need to get the seals replaced. I need them to clean them out. I love the car. I'm happy. I'm proud of it, and it's fun. You know, this is my dream car, and this is like actually a dream car. I know that dream car is kind of used very loosely, but this was my #1 car that I always wanted. So when I saw the opportunity, I jumped at it. Maybe I should have waited, but you know, here we are. So that's the current plan. Just plans. I want to, you know, I want to get more power out of it. I want to make the car look nice. So maybe starting next year, start working on that. First things first, I want to make the car look nice. So I already talked to a couple of places, and I got different prices for various probably quality of work, or the paint that they're going to use. Probably the biggest difference between the three. So I gotta weigh out my options and see what's better for me and for my future. I also want to invest more into this channel, so we'll see.
Just finishing up the video. If you guys can please comment, like, subscribe, and share, and I'll really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a good day. Peace out.